Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you how to easily remove a kitchen cabinet. I'll also show you how the bracket works and how you can replace the bracket. These are the kitchen cabinets that I want to remove, and I've already removed the doors, which is a fairly easy process. If you've got multiple kitchen cabinets next to each other, they may have joining screws on them, so you need to remove those first. So let's do that on these particular ones. On this cabinet there's one at the top and one at the bottom, so let's just remove the one at the bottom first. You unscrew it from one side only. So let's turn it anti-clockwise. This is a joining kind of nut, screw, bolt, thread system. So just take that one out. Do the same with the top one. Then you just need to pop that out. You can just pop that out with a nail or a screw, just so it pops out the other side. Then just get a good firm grip on that and just pull it out. There we go. Remember to take the top one out as well. Now we need to get access to this bracket. This flap at the front just pops away. That reveals the two adjustment screws, one at the top and the one at the bottom. And I'll explain how those work now. This is one of the brackets that gets screwed into your kitchen wall, and you'll have one at each end of the cabinet. And this is the adjustment bracket which sits inside your kitchen cabinet. And then the kitchen cabinet just hangs on these brackets. So these are the brackets that are actually screwed into the kitchen wall. You can use a spirit level to put these up, or a laser guide. And these are the adjustment brackets inside your kitchen cabinet. And it literally just hangs on these brackets like this. And because the brackets are nice and wide, you've got a bit of adjustment with a kitchen cabinet. Can be moved from side to side. Now I'll show you how the adjustment works. So on the top screw, if I turn this anti-clockwise, that moves that adjustment bracket outwards, and that will bring the kitchen cabinet towards you. And if you turn the screw clockwise, that brings that bracket closer to you, and that will bring the kitchen cabinet closer against your kitchen wall. Now this bottom one is to adjust your kitchen cabinet up and down. So you've got a certain amount of adjustment if your brackets aren't completely level. So clockwise moves that bracket downwards, which will make your cabinet go higher on that side. And anti-clockwise moves that bracket upwards, which will make your kitchen cabinet lower on that side. So like Pink Floyd said, let's get this kitchen cabinet off the wall. So we're unscrewing the top screw anti-clockwise. That is bringing the kitchen cabinet away from the back of the kitchen wall, and the same on this side. Now it's easier with two people, but if you're on your own, just get a really good grip on it, lift it upwards and away from the brackets, and then towards you, and then lift it down somewhere safe. Fabulous. And then I'm just going to remove the other one, lift it up, away and down. Now with these particular brackets, if it breaks, you can actually replace them just by unscrewing these two screws here, which screws the adjustment bracket into the side of the kitchen cabinet. And that allows you to just to remove it and then replace it with a brand new one. There we go, fantastic. And I've got lots of kitchen cabinets to remove, and this is how I've done so far. So you might be removing a kitchen cabinet because you want to install a brand new fresh looking one. And I tell you what, I think that deserves a cup of tea. And while I'm having a cup of tea, there's a link up on the top left hand side about how to keep your dishwasher hygienically fresh, and on the top right hand corner, how to keep your curtains super smooth on the curtain track. And you can of course subscribe to my channel by pressing the button in the bottom right hand corner. Cheers!